PowerShape 2019 has new functionality to help users select solid faces of the same colour. There are two methods of accessing this new functionality. Firstly, on the Solid Manage ribbon, there's a new colour button that's been added to the face selection options. The new colour button allows any single solid face to be selected with the left mouse button, and it will result in all solid faces of the chosen colour being selected. This can make the selection of regions of a solid model much faster for operations like deleting detail from a model in preparation for manufacturing. The second method of accessing this functionality is to simultaneously hold down the Control and the Alt keyboard buttons and then use the left mouse button to select a solid face. Again, all solid faces of the same colour will automatically be selected and again, in this case, deleted. Finally, I'll select the main shell of the solid shape and again, by simultaneously holding down the Control and Alt keyboard buttons and selecting one of the solid faces using the left mouse button. This time I'm going to copy the selected coloured faces to leave the remaining solid unchanged, but an identical copy of the selected faces is generated as surfaces.